Hi and welcome to my tutorial on accompaniment for the Killavil Jig. So the first thing we're going to do is get a sense of where the beats lie in the tune. So I'm just going to lilt it and give you a sense of where the beats go. Ready, go. And hey, do, 3, 4, do, 3, ca, do, 3, ca, do, 3, car. Okay, so do you see the way I'm splitting each bar into two parts, right? And that there's 4 sets of 4 bars. So why don't you try that with me? 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ítach, maithú. So now we're going to get a sense of where the chords change. So for the first set of 4, it's going to change on the 1 and the 4. Okay, so it's going to go chord 2, 3, chord. Then it's going to go chord 2, chord, chord. So it's going to change 1, 3, and 4. So try lifting that with me. Chord 2, chord, chord. Phrase 3 is identical to phrase 1. Chord 2, 3, chord. And phrase 4 is identical in the changes to phrase 2. So chord 2, chord, chord. So let's try that all together, right? Ready, go. Chord 2, 3, chord, chord 2, chord, chord, chord 2, 3, chord, chord 2, chord, chord. Mahi. So now we're going to learn the chords, and they're really easy. We just use 3, E, B, and D. Okay, now I actually use E minor, B minor, and D major, but for short I'm just going to say E, B, and D. Okay, so I want you to try saying E, 2, 3, E. Okay, try that with me. Ready, go. E, 2, 3, E. Right, then it's going to go B to D, B. Try that. B to D, B. Okay. Now let's try phrase 3, which is the same as phrase 1. E, 2, 3, E. And phrase 4 is very similar to phrase 3. Sorry, to phrase 2. It goes B to D, E. Okay. So how about we refresh it? E to 3, E. Then B to D, B. Then E to 3, E. And then B to D, E. Finish on E. Okay, so let's try that together. 1, 2. E, 2, 3, E. B to D, B. E, 2, 3, E. B to D, E. Ítach. 1, 2. E. Okay. Hey do, tree car, hey do, tree car, hey do, tree car, hey do, tree car. So the chords change on 1, 3, and 4 in the first block, 1, 3, and 4 in the second block, 1, 3, and 4 on the third block, and 1, 3, and 4 on the fourth block. So it's kind of handy. So let's try that. Sing chord. Ready, go. chord 2, chord, chord, chord 2, chord, chord, chord 2, chord, chord, chord 2, chord, chord. Okay, now we're going to try the chord names. So it's really easy. The first block is E, then D, then E. Okay. The next block is B, then D, then B. The third phrase is identical to the first phrase, E, then D, then E. And the fourth phrase is the same as the fourth phrase in the first part. So it's B, then D, then E. Okay, so in total it goes E, D, E, B, D, B, E, D, E, B, D, E. So E2, D, E, B2, D, B, E, D, So it'll sound like this. E2, D, B2, D, B, E2, D, B2, and D, and E. Okay? Hey, do, D, E, B, D, B, E. Hey, do, D, E, B, D, B, E. Ítach, maithú. Ein, do. Maithú. Ein, do.